We're in Toho today, Kissimmee. Toho Lake, Lake Toho. Say hi, guys.
Say hi. Hey, Nick.
Where are we today?
Say hi.
We're at Lake Toho.
Lake Toho.
Oh, for Boggy, like the Boggy Creek area. And, oh, what's that restaurant? It's like gators or something. Gator meat, alligator meat. Boggy Bottoms. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
This is the crew from EuroCycles.
I think I hit him in the face.
Get your motorcycle at EuroCycles. See this man right here.
Good riding, everybody.
There's a sharp-looking Triumph right there, a scrambler. Oh yeah, what a great weather day. There's Tom Saprilia. Doug's ZRX blue. My Yamaha MT-09 blue. What a nice day riding. All right, we're gonna end in here, folks. And then I gotta run back to the house and get ready for work. What an exciting day so far.